Hey, what's up guys, this is Art and today I'm super excited because tomorrow I'm releasing my newest product called Postly. Now with this method you will be able to make over $100 per day and all you need to do is just create silly little weird posts, and it only takes seconds to create these posts, okay? So very newbie friendly method. It uses free traffic from social media. So essentially you create these posts and you send them to an affiliate offer and you make money over $100 per day with a few minutes of work. So the name of the course is Postly. It goes live tomorrow on the 25th of February at 9 AM Eastern, and today I'm actually doing a giveaway as always on my product launches. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I'm gonna tell you how to do it in the end of this video, but firstly I just wanted to show you the sales page and the inside of the course. Okay, so as you can see, the sales page will say case study weird traffic method makes $111.46 per post with no videos, no websites, no paid traffic, and that's exactly what it is. I teamed up with Aidan on this one. He is the guy behind the method. He's using this method every single day. I've released, a number of different products with Aidan already. He is actually a full-time history teacher, and the online business allowed him to make enough money to quit his full-time job and start doing this full-time. So this is our newest course. Again, super newbie friendly. Anyone can do this literally in seconds. So this is what you will see on the sales page, and this is the inside of the members area. So as you can see, this is a video course. We also have a ton of bonuses. So we have a welcome video here, introduction, new rules, how to build a targeted following, how to promote the posts, how to structure viral posts, eye-grabbing images, Postly in action case study, because this is actually built around a case study that where Aidan actually shows you exactly how he made this $111. More traffic generating posts, conclusion, bonus traffic case study, bonus traffic videos, and also a few PDFs. And we also include a traffic generating software in it. So this is what you're getting, and it will be under 13 bucks. So very cool price. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is go to YouTube and write under this video. Just click the like button right here, subscribe to my channel, and if you are already subscribed, click on the bell notification and also leave a comment. So all you have to do is just these 4 things. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notifications button. I'm gonna take 10% of the totality of people who did that, and these people will win a free copy. So if you're gonna have 100 people that will do it, 10 people will win a free copy, and I'm going to be announcing the winners 5 minutes before we are going live. So we're going to be going live again tomorrow. That's Sunday the 25th of February at 9 AM Eastern. So at 8:55 AM Eastern I will be announcing the winners. So you have around 24 hours from the moment I'm making this video to enter the giveaway. So again, all you have to do, if you are on my blog, click on the link below this video, go to YouTube, and if you're on YouTube, just do these 4 things, okay? Like the video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notifications, and comment on the video, and you will enter the giveaway. This will take you less than 20 seconds, and you can win a free copy of the course. So even if you won't win, you can still pick it up with an early bird discount tomorrow when it's going to go live. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help, okay? Guys, I'm signing out, and I will see you tomorrow at 9 AM Eastern for Postly. Ciao!